Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting the build and assets ready, compile your Webview app in release mode, and target at least API 30 so play policies are met. Once done, create a key store and produce a signed OB bundle. This is what you upload. Make sure to securely back up the key store and passwords because play requires consistent signing for updates. Also prepare visual assets, screenshots for multiple device sizes, a 512 x 512 icon, and a feature graphic. These speed the listing creation. Next, log into Play Console and create your new app record. Select language, app type, and whether it's a free or paid app. Then fill the store listing, concise title, short description, and full description that highlight the Webview's purpose. Choose category and contact details. Upload your signed OB, configure the release track, start with internal or closed testing to validate, and complete the content rating questionnaire. Make sure you configure privacy policy and any required permissions before proceeding. Finally, review the release and roll it out. Start with an internal or closed test to capture issues, then promote to production once stable. Monitor pre-launch reports, crash logs, and user feedback. Common fixes include updating the Webview implementation, tightening permissions, or correcting intent filters. If the app is rejected, read the policy notice closely, remedy manifest or content concerns, and resubmit with a concise change note. One key tip: if signing errors occur, verify.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.